Hello guys, it's your boy David Kwame and welcome to my YouTube channel David's Hustle. And on this video I'm going to teach you how to make money online just by watching YouTube videos. Make sure you watch this video to an end and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Okay, stay tuned. Welcome back. Okay, to watch free videos on YouTube and make money online, you first of all head over to your Play Store and download an app called MONIBOX. Remember, this app is actually for Android users. Yes, Android users only. Okay, after you download and install your MONIBOX app, you open it and sign up. You sign up with your Gmail. Okay, after you signing up, with this app MONIBOX, you can also make money just by playing game. You can also make money on this platform just by playing game. It is two things. It's either you play game or you watch videos. As for me, what I do here is to watch videos on this platform. So after you signing up, click on the three bars here and click on earn coins. So after then, you are going to click on watch and earn. You click on that place and it sends you to the place that you are actually going to watch the videos. As you can see here, there are a lot of videos here. That is going to give you points for you to make money on this platform. Okay, withdrawal method is through Bitcoin. That is internationally, it is through Bitcoin. So you first of all click on, if you want to withdraw, you click on gift items. As you can see here, if you would want to withdraw in cash, click on the cash and you make sure you have 5,800 coins, which is 500 naira. So you click on it and you select your option. After you select your option, when your point is up to that place, you select your option and you click on redeem history. After you click on it, you then enter your account number and you are good to go. So MTN is actually not a withdrawal method. That place is actually for recharging your SIM card either by data or airtime. Yes, and the last withdrawal method is through Bitcoin. Make sure your minimum withdrawal have to be $5 and you are good to go. And the coin you earn is 6,500. So when it's available, you just click on it and you click on redeem history and you put in your wallet address. So after that, this is the form of withdrawal method on this platform. And one thing about this platform is that you are going to get bonus every day you log into this platform. Bonus, as you can see, I've claimed 2 bonuses here, and there are tons of daily bonus here. This is actually for every 7 days in a week. Yes, every 7 days in a week. And also make sure you click on the link in my description down below if you want to sign up and earn free 50 points. That is for you for free. Use the link in my description down below to sign up and earn free 50 points. Just like I said, it is for Android users only. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you.